Hello Warrior Forum members, I'm Dave Kingston along with Rob Holmes. I'd like to show you this quick video to introduce you to our latest product. This is DupeMagic. It's a duplicate content WordPress plugin. Basically what it does is it takes your WordPress blog that has content on it, and if you populate that blog with PLR content or content that you've used somewhere else like on eZine articles, and it works in the background to change the content so that your reader will still see the same article, but the search engines will look at the content differently. Now, there are a couple of plugins out there that do something similar, but there's 2 points to note. One is DupeMagic does an awful lot more than they do, and secondly, that the price is a lot cheaper. I've seen other ones going for $47. We're going to sell this at Warrior Forum for $17. When it goes live, it'll be $27 to the general public. Now, just show you a website that we've built using this. This website has pure PLR fitness and weight loss articles on here totally. And I'm just going to pick one at random. Well, not at random. Working on this. And what I did was, obviously we're using Fat Loss for Idiots as the banner to monetize. You can use CPA network products, etc. And I took this phrase here, stuck it into Google. I'll press search again. In quotes, 4,520 pages. So there's a lot of pages with this article out there. I also took it into Copyscape, press search, and you can see there's at least 10 results for it for this page, and probably and obviously a lot more, but I don't have a premium account, so I can't show that. So what I'm going to do is go into the admin panel, activate the plugin, and then show you what it does. Before that, let's just have a quick look at the background to show you that the article is in there untouched. There it is there. Okay, so let's go over here. Are you looking to lose weight? If you are, there is a good chance. So it's there. Now, click the plugin, activate, apply. And there we have it. Duplicate Content Magic is activated. We go back to the post, reload, and view the source. So down here now you can see all of this code. Basically what we're doing is we're taking some of the stop words that Google uses, such as, the, and, etc., and turning them into HTML code. What we do is ignore phrases that may be keywords. Sometimes they get affected. So the next neat part to it is inside the admin panel. You go to the admin panel here, and you can type in your key phrases. If you've got more than one, you just put a comma, separate them. The second cool thing is that you can actually add in the number of the post or page that you want to exclude just by putting the number and the comma. So if you've got original content and you want that to be fully indexed as is, then you stick it in there. Now let's go back to Copyscape, same page, but this time with the DupeMagic plugin activated. Nothing, no results. Okay, so Copyscape is looking at it and saying, no, this isn't duplicate content. But we go back to the page, just show you again, it's the same content. The reader sees it as the same, but the source is changed. And like I said, you can add in your keywords so they won't be touched. Now, one of the cool things about DupeMagic is that this plugin actually has an algorithm in it that allows us to do something very cool. You could take 10 posts that are PLR and have 10 different domains and put those 10 posts on each of the domain. So literally you would have 10 blogs that are exactly the same. Activate DupeMagic on all of them, and you would expect DupeMagic to turn the content on each of the posts on each of the domains into the same jumbled up post, but it doesn't. What it does is it takes your domain name and uses that as the base for an algorithm to change different words on each post. So you should have two blogs will not have the same post for the search engines, but the readers will still see the same post. So you can use the same pack of PLR articles on different domains, use DupeMagic, and you will have different content. Now that's really, really cool. The other thing about that is that if you buy DupeMagic and somebody else buys DupeMagic and you both put them on a blog with the same PLR package of articles, your content will be read differently by the search engines than the other person. So you're not going to have somebody out there who has the same content being crawled by the spiders, because it changes the way the algorithm changes the content. I hope that's clear. Now, for the price of $17, you are going to get lifetime upgrades to anything we do to the plugin. If you do decide to buy the plugin, there's a couple of things to know. When you get to the download page, there will be a sign up box. Please put a name and email address into it so we can email you through our autoresponder any upgrades that we do. We're on version 1.2 already, so we are working on it and tweaking it, but it's fine to go as it is. It's just to make it better. So for $17, hopefully you see it's a no-brainer. The other thing is, when we launch this live, it will be $27, and we're using the $7 script, and down the bottom here you'll see a link to affiliates. Now this is not set up at the moment. It's if you try and send someone through your link, you won't get credit for the payment, and we're selling 50% commission on the $27. Now the way the $7 script works is we will get the first sale that you send us, you will get the second sale that you send us. Us, you, us, you. So it's every second sale, and that's because of the way PayPal works. So we don't want people paying for two halves when they make one purchase. They will buy it, and the script will actually basically swap over the PayPal address. Now the affiliates page will be here. You put your PayPal email address, click query, and it will populate these boxes with your email address, your PayPal email. So as an affiliate, you don't have to wait for ClickBank or anything like that. Hopefully that explains everything. If you have any questions, please do post down the bottom. This is Dave Kingston and Rob Holmes from DupeMagic. Hope you enjoy the product.